Ever wondered why the people pushing light weights in the gym don't seem to be getting any stronger? That's because strength training isn't about lifting light weights repeatedly, it's about pushing your body to its limits, building not just a physique that's pleasing to the eye, but one that's functional, healthy, and strong. A Spartan body, if you will, that's both show and go. Now, let's debunk some myths about bodybuilding and strength training that might have been misleading you. The first one being that high repetitions with light weights, or what's often referred to as the pump, are a waste of time. They're not going to tone your muscles or provide any of the other benefits they claim to. What we need to focus on is building strength, which naturally lends itself to a better-looking body. For most exercises, this means sticking to around 5 heavy reps. The second myth is about isolation exercises. Yes, they have their place in a workout routine, but they should never be the main part of a Spartan training program. Overemphasizing these types of exercises is why many conventional bodybuilding systems fall short. And finally, steer clear of program ideas that seem to work only for those who are chemically assisted. Mainstream bodybuilding magazines are filled with such programs, but our program is designed to get you chiseled and strong without any drugs. The Spartans didn't need them, and neither do you. The key here is to train like a Spartan. Look at the statues of Greek warriors and gods. Their physiques, sculpted through hard work and smart training, were strong and functional. Their appearance was the result of their training, not some strange science or weird modern bodybuilding ideas. Combine this approach with the right mindset and the willingness to take swift action with determination, and literally anything is possible. So why not make today the day you start your journey towards becoming a new, strong, and powerful you? Trust me, it's a bet worth taking.